Hi. I'm Daphnee Lagredelle. So I'm a business strategist. I provide strategies to business entrepreneur and teach women entrepreneur how to build a structured business. So today I'm here and let me tell you exactly how you can work with me, what type of services that I provide. I do provide services, do it for you services for my clients, such as trademark, website, logo, register the business credit, and then help them find funding for the business as well. And I do have a group coaching and also private coaching. And we do have workshop in a city near you where you can book and you can come into our workshop. In our workshop, we really focused on business, on startups, business foundation, and help you not to minimize all the errors and mistakes that people do make when they start a business, so you can make sure that you are pushing that business to the in the right way. So you can call my office 267-317-8840. DaphneLagredelle.com is my website, if you want to book coaching and private coaching. And you can go ahead and then follow me on all the social media platforms. So let's go. Let's get started. Ciao.